Step 1. Prepare all parts. Step 2. Assemble the base. Step 3. Install side panels. Step 4. Attach the top panel. Step 6. Secure the back panels. Attach the shelves support. Step 5. Install shelves. Screw magnetic catch. Attach rattan design door to the door frame. Attach the door spring. Step 7. Mount the doors. Step 8. Install the adjustable feet. Installation complete.